What if I told you the strongest move you can make in life is saying nothing at all? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just think differently, you'll move differently. This is not a normal video. Let me be clear from the start. This is not a quick motivational boost. This is not a 5 habits video you forget tomorrow. This is about something deeper, something uncomfortable, something real. Because the truth is, most people are not losing in life because they lack talent, luck, or intelligence. They're losing because they react. They react to words. They react to silence. They react to disrespect. They react to opinions that don't even matter. And every reaction costs them something. Peace, dignity, focus, relationships, opportunities. One emotional moment can undo years of effort. One reply sent too fast. One argument taken too far. One reaction that couldn't be taken back. So today, I'm not here to hype you up. I'm here to wake you up. Because once you understand what I'm about to share, you don't become louder. You don't become aggressive. You don't become cold. You become untouchable. And yes, this video will also sharpen your English. Clear words, simple sentences, strong thinking. Because powerful language comes from a powerful mind. Let's begin. Lesson 1. The moment you react, you lose control. Let me ask you something honestly. If someone can ruin your mood with one sentence, who is really in control? If someone can ignore you and make you angry, who has the power? Here's the uncomfortable truth. When your emotions are easy to trigger, you are easy to control. Most people think fast reactions mean confidence. They don't. Fast reactions mean weak emotional boundaries. Think about your own life. How many times did you say something that felt right in the moment, but felt heavy later? How many times did you defend yourself and still lost respect? That's not strength. That's impulse. Let me tell you a story. There was a man named Ethan. Quiet, reliable, sharp. For 3 years at his company, he worked harder than everyone else. Never complained. Never caused trouble. Then one day, during a meeting, his supervisor blamed him for a mistake he didn't make. Everyone watched. Ethan felt heat rise in his chest. And he reacted. He argued. He raised his voice. He explained aggressively. And guess what happened? The mistake was forgotten. But Ethan's reaction wasn't. From that day on, he wasn't the reliable guy. He became the emotional one. One reaction rewrote his reputation. Not because he was wrong, but because he reacted. The pause that changes everything. Strong people don't react instantly. They pause. Next time you feel disrespected, don't answer. Breathe in. Breathe out. 5 seconds. That pause does something powerful. It separates you from the emotion. You're no longer inside the fire. You're watching it. And when you respond from that place, your words carry weight. Your silence carries authority. This one pause will save your career, your relationships, and your mental peace. Lesson 2. Regret is born from fast reactions. Here's something nobody tells you. You don't remember insults for years. You remember how you reacted. You don't regret what others did. You regret what you did under emotion. Most lifelong regrets have one thing in common. They happened fast. Anger speaks quickly. Wisdom waits. Let me tell you about Lena. She was extremely close to her younger brother. Best friends. Protectors. One evening, during a family dinner, he made a joke about something sensitive. Old pain surfaced. Lena exploded. She said things she didn't mean. Things she couldn't erase. The room went silent. That bond never fully recovered. Years later, what haunted her wasn't the joke, it was the reaction. Because reactions can't be undone. Responding is a skill, not a personality. You don't need to suppress emotions. You need to delay expression. Say this in your mind. This feeling is real. My reaction is optional. Wait. Let the emotion pass through you. Without acting on it. Respond later. From clarity. That's how mature people protect relationships. Peace doesn't come from winning arguments. It comes from avoiding unnecessary damage. Lesson 3. Silence is not weakness. The world is loud. Everyone talks, explains, defends, argues. But the strongest people, they're quiet. Silence confuses weak minds. Silence creates pressure. Silence protects dignity. Let me tell you about Noah. A former friend spread lies about him online. Posts, stories, screenshots, twisted. Everyone expected Noah to respond. He didn't. Weeks passed. Months passed. People called him weak. Then the truth surfaced. Without Noah saying a word. Suddenly, silence looked powerful. Because silence lets truth breathe. How to use silence properly. In arguments, say less. In disrespect, say nothing. In drama, step back. You don't need to explain yourself to people who enjoy misunderstanding you. Silence is not absence. It's restraint. And restraint is power. Lesson 4. Not everything deserves your energy. Energy is currency. And most people spend it on garbage. Arguments that don't matter. Opinions that won't change. People who don't care. Every time you react emotionally, you donate energy. And then you wonder why you're exhausted. Let me tell you about Maya. She was ambitious, focused, disciplined. Then rumors started at college. She tried to explain herself to everyone. Long messages, late nights, emotional breakdowns. Her grades slipped. Her confidence dropped. Years later she said, "I didn't lose because of lies. I lost because I tried to fix them." Protect your energy like gold. Ask yourself daily, does this help my future? Does this deserve my peace? If not, walk away. You're not here to win every debate. You're here to build a life. Lesson 5. Calm people always win. Calmness is rare. And because it's rare, it's respected. Calm people think clearly, decide better, lead naturally. Let me tell you a true style story. On a crowded train, a drunk man started yelling. Chaos everywhere. One elderly man stayed calm. When the drunk approached him, the old man said softly, "You must be carrying something heavy today." The drunk broke down. One calm presence changed the entire atmosphere. That's power. Training calmness. Calmness is trained, not born. Practice it when someone is rude, plans fail, things go wrong. Small moments prepare you for big storms. Lesson 6. Reaction is automatic, response is mastered. Reactions are habits. Responses are choices. Most people don't react because they want to. They react because they always have. But habits can be rewritten. Let me tell you about Daniel, a waiter. A customer insulted him publicly. Everyone waited for a fight. Daniel smiled and said, "I'll serve you with respect. That's who I am." The room changed. Later that night, he was promoted. Why? Because composure signals leadership. Why we overreact? Because of old wounds. Unhealed pain reacts fast. Awareness breaks the cycle. Ask, is this about now or about before? That question alone can save years of damage. Lesson 7. Ego is the real enemy. Most reactions are not about justice. They're about ego. Ego wants to win. Ego wants validation. Ego wants to be right. But ego is expensive. Every ego-driven reaction costs peace. Let go of needing to prove yourself. Silence starves ego. Peace feeds strength. Let me leave you with this. Anyone can react. Few can restrain. Anyone can shout. Few can stay calm. And the people who master silence, pause, and emotional control, they don't just survive, they rise. So next time life tests you, don't rush to speak. Pause. Observe. Respond with power. If this video made you think, drop a comment. I choose calm. Like this video if you felt it. Share it with someone who needs peace. And remember, work quietly, win loudly,